I've watched more people take advantage of their friends and family than anything I've ever seen in 50 years. It's just ridiculous. So let's pretend this is that house, okay? Let's take a real thing what a client did. He got 3 houses, no problem. And I convinced him to transfer this in a division, okay? Now, over here, he had his LLC, and he bought the 3 houses, okay? If one sued, screwed it up, he'd lose everything. The problem you have today is, I have an LLC, it protects me, peekaboo. BS, BS, BS. This is minutes and bylaws. Every corporation was deemed as a legal person. Supreme Court said so. Do your homework. It's, I'm not here to be sapient attorney, just explain what that's out there. So if I'm an LLC, I am the managing member. It says in here, all right, what's called certificate of ownership. Certificate of ownership, it's in your possession. 9 cents the law's possession. If it's a C corporation, it's stock. If it becomes S, it's stock as well. Again, what do we do? If it's membership, usually it's a nonprofit. This book can help you or kill you. It'll help you if it's filled out. It'll kill you if you don't fill it out. See, that's the goal. That's why I do a stock kit class every 11 weeks as well. It's minutes and bylaws. Again, what do we do? Then some ding-dongs, well, you don't have stock, Ree. I just explained it has certificate of what? Owners. Okay? So let's watch. Here's our problem. Okay? He's got him in an LLC in the bank. If one slips and falls and sues him, he screws up, he loses it all. He's part of the lawsuit. So when they sue, they get to sue that what? The management company. You see, when you think the LLC protects you in a lawsuit, what do you have to do? Okay? A lawsuit, they name everybody. They name the LLC, it's on Secretary of State's website. You're the officer, you're in the bank account. You're responsible. By the way, you guarantee the houses. You guarantee the loans on those damn houses. They don't tell me you did not. There's the problem. So when they sue the LLC, they sue you because you guaranteed it. You signed for the note. You signed to the bank. So when they slip and fall, they get to ruin your life. Lawsuits can destroy people. 90% of people fail because they don't have the foundation, not because of the money. Foundation builds you the money. Foundation gets you the money. Foundation gets you the money. But again, no foundation, there's the problem.